Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of this 2018 Boston Whaler 280 Outrage. As you can see, the beautiful jadestone hull color with the silver graphics option. This one is powered by twin Mercury 350 Verados with digital throttle and shift. You'll also see the underwater light option along with the trim tabs. Entering the boat, this boat comes with a battery charger, a transom fold-down bench seat. You'll see the leaning post with the live well option. Here at the helm, you'll have the Mercury vessel control system. You'll also have the DTS throttles, fusion stereo, and trim tabs. Moving forward, you'll see the forward seating with the wraparound bolsters and also the big coffin box for storage. This concludes the walkthrough of the 2018 Boston Whaler 280 Outrage with MarineMax Pensacola.